Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley. In today's video is definitely not exactly a tutorial, but we are going to be reviewing an app on our Instagram just to verify a particular feature, and also I'm going to be giving a tip in order for you to also make this feature available on your account if you haven't done that already, or if you don't have that existing already. Now let's dive in. So it's actually the Instagram and Messenger application. So your Instagram DM can be linked to your messenger. Right here you can notice the icon that is displaying on the Instagram direct on the top section of my chat. On the top right, it displays the Facebook Messenger app option, which allows me to do a lot of things that I can do on my Facebook Messenger. Now I'm going to show you guys how to confirm if I have this account already linked into Messenger successfully. All right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And note guys, the reason for me making this video is because some people still have challenges confirming if they have this option enabled for their account. So I'm just going to show you guys another way to confirm this. Go ahead and click on the menu icon on the top right, and now click on the settings area on the bottom. So you can notice where it says security, right? Go ahead and click on that. Now you can notice where it says access data. Go ahead and click on access data. Wait for it to load. It might take a while. Now you can notice where it says right here that date upgraded to cross-platform. That is actually October 28, 2020, and this is the exact time that I updated the feature. So if I click on it, it just showed actually that the cross-platform messaging option is actually enabled for this account. Now I'm going to switch to an account that doesn't have this, and you are going to notice what is written there. Now I'm backing out right now. So I'm going to switch to a different account of mine that I have, which is my personal account. I'm going to click on this drop down and select Trust Stanley. And before I check that, you can notice on this area, on the top hand area, it's still showing the Instagram direct messenger option, which is not yet a Facebook Messenger logo, which means we haven't connected this app. So it's just to confirm that it's accurate, just click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and then click on the menu icon on the top right, and click on the settings on the bottom. Now click on securities right here, and you can notice where it says access data. Go ahead and click on access data. Wait for it to load for a while, and you can notice where it says date upgraded to cross platform. Your account hasn't your account doesn't have any information to show here. That's because we didn't connect this application to the cross platform. So most times it's actually display this option for us to be able to enable this feature and add them up. So all you need to do is to swipe up and refresh, or go ahead and clear your caches to refresh, and you can still do the same thing like I did on my previous messenger by clicking on the messenger icon, and you are going to notice this option right here. So it's very easy, and it's just being updated manually for every account. It doesn't actually just come up automatically, it's just being updated manually for all your accounts. So there is no shortcut about this. This is pretty easy and pretty simple. I don't think there is anything wrong with your account. If you don't have this option, you just have to wait, because for some reason Instagram did not roll this option out for every user. So all you need to do is to wait and keep updating your app, and at the same time keep clearing your Instagram data each time you update. If you want to clear your Instagram data cache, all you need to do is to come on the settings area, click on that, and then go to your application or your app manager. You can find it. My own is loaded up here. Either you see application manager or app manager. So my own, it's called applications. Now you need to do is to search Instagram. Search for Instagram right here. Now you can notice the Instagram app is displayed for us. You notice where it says storage, right? Click on it and go ahead and click on clear data. Now note guys, clearing your data doesn't actually mean any harm to your application. It's as simple as clearing the settings that is currently existing on the phone, and also clearing the cache and the the caches that's already been saved, and also the settings that have already been saved. If we clear this data, it's not going to affect our information that we already have, our charts, our picture, our profile, our images. It doesn't clear anything. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this by clicking OK. Once I clear it, it's going to prompt me to log in once I open Instagram once more. So all I need to do is to type in my Instagram login detail, which I already have existing right here. All I need to do is to click on continue as Trust Stanley to log in. So now it's going to send an OTP to my phone, which I'm going to enter once it has sent it to me. All right, so I have the code activated. All I need to do is to confirm the code, and which I'm doing right now. So it's active and it's been logged in successfully. So I'm just going to wait for a while for my app to successfully update. And if I go to my profile area also, I can say confirm to you guys that I have every settings active and available for the device. Wait for it. Now you can see everything is still active and effective. There is nothing that have left there. So that particular feature is still available. And if you notice right here, all my profile areas are still intact and I've lost nothing. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. And I would really hope you subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Stay home and stay safe, guys. Peace.